Hi guys, I am Harry from ExpressHarryCode. Today we are learning Django Rest Framework with Android and Kotlin and with using backend MongoDB. We are learning storing and retrieving data from the Django Rest Framework to Android application. What is Kotlin? Kotlin is a general purpose open source statically typed programming language for the JVM and Android that combines object-oriented and functional programming features. What is MongoDB? MongoDB is a document-oriented NoSQL database used for high-volume data storage. MongoDB is a database which come into light around the mid 2000s. It falls under the category of a NoSQL. What is REST framework? It describes an architecture which stands for representational state transfer. It used for web-based architecture for data communication. It uses HTTP methods like get, put, delete, post. In the previous video we are learned get and post method in the Django Rest framework. So today we are learning how to accessing that data into Android application and storing that data into MongoDB. So for that, first of all we need to install the driver of this Django. Just copy it and paste in our terminal. So it will be successfully installed. Then after we can register this database in settings.py file in database. So engine name, database name. Here I will leave database name as a DB. Then after make migration, then migrate. It will be change the migration when executing the following commands, but I am already executed in a minute ago, so it will be no any changes. Now we need IP address for accessing data to the Android application. So for that, opening CMD, here it will be give the IP address, IPv4 address. Just copy it and add here allowed host. Now moving to Android application development, creating one project. Empty activity. Selecting language, Kotlin, finish. After successfully load, we can add the volley library dependency here. And sync now. After dependency, we need the internet permission in the manifest file. Use permission internet. Then after we are designing the layout file, activity underscore main. Here I will use that linear layout. In this layout I will edit one text view, and here one edit text for taking name from the user. Here one another edit text for taking age, and one button. In Java here I will paste it volley syncton for initialization of the volley. Moving to main activity, and the click of the button dot set on click listener created one URL for accessing data from the API. Now here created hash map for converting user inputted data into JSON object in with the hash map. Then after created JSON object request, it will be requesting with the method equal to post request. We can select the volley request and response. Here method equal to post and the URL which is come from the here, and JSON object response. In try, it will be called when the data inserted. It means the response successful. When some exception was occur, then at time it will be called the when the response is error listener. When the something wrong in the code in volley, that time it will be called. It is a policy which is used for numbers of retry. 0 means only single time it will be inserted, not a multiple time. 1 means multiple time it will be inserted. Now adding to request queue into volley syncton file. So now we are running it. So it will be successfully loaded. First of all, we start the server for Django. Just writing the following command. With this IP address. With port number. Just click on this URL. So it will be work. Now we are inserting from Android application. For example, name Harikesh and age 22. Insert data inserted. So we can check from the MongoDB database. So for that we can just type Mongo use db dot api underscore student dot find dot pretty. So here data will be inserted. I am inserting another record likewise. So inserted data.